Okay, today we are beginning our last lesson on congruent triangles, and this time you're going to take what we've been doing a step further, and you're going to take two triangles, prove that they're congruent, and then prove that the corresponding sides are congruent. So go ahead and title it Using Congruent Triangles. So, if you know that two triangles are congruent, you can then prove / conclude that the corresponding parts are congruent.
What is execution?
Okay, so for example, pretend we know that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. And we have our two triangles here. ABC. The other one's kind of flipped. DEF. And we're told that these triangles are congruent and the letters are in this order. We can go ahead and then conclude that AB, right, which matches up with DE. Oh, wait a second. Oops, sorry. This is supposed to be a C. B. So, AB, excuse me, is congruent to DE. AC is congruent to DF. CB or BC is congruent to EF. And then we can also conclude that angle A, which matches up with angle D, is congruent to angle D. Angle B is then congruent with angle E. And angle C is then congruent with angle F. Or, if you want to write all the corresponding sides, so AB congruent to DE, AC congruent to DF, BC congruent to EF. And again, you have corresponding angles. Angle A is congruent to angle D. Angle C is congruent to angle F. Angle B is congruent to angle E. So this really comes into play when you have a proof and you're given two triangles and you need to prove that two angles are congruent or two sides are congruent. And you're going to use this whole corresponding sides with congruent triangles, corresponding angles with congruent triangles, to prove that certain things are congruent.